Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from the 7th SEM from the Faculty of Civil Engineering. So the purpose for this interview is to fulfill the requirement for our group assignment for the subject ECM579 project planning and control. So my name is Ali Mirza.
My name is Nur Izana binti Abdul Ghani.
My name is Nurul Najiha binti Ajusin.
My name is Huril Ain binti.
My name is Sham Shafiq bin Jamaluddin.
Okay. So for our interviewee, may we know your name and where do you work? I mean, like, what's your company?
Okay, so hi, good evening. So my name is Khairul Amirin bin Zulkarnain. So I work for LWC Alliance in Berhad. And then the year of experience, I already work almost 3 years now. Okay, and then my current project is actually my company is more on architectural building, precast. So now my current project is for Singapore lah, especially.
What currently project are you handling?
Okay, at the moment we doing the recycling factory at Singapore. So at the moment we still at the beginning stage. The project will be ended by July 2021.
Thank you for your introduction. So we'll proceed next for the questions.
Sure.
So,
Okay, for the first question, I would like to ask you, how do you monitor the project progress for your construction project?
Okay, so for the monitoring of the progress, right? So we have the report. Firstly, we have the report, weekly report, based on the weekly basis or the daily basis lah. So we monitor on the progress of each of the department lah. Means start from the fabrication until we delivery of the panel to Singapore lah. Yeah.
So next, Najiha.
Okay, for the next question, what are the data or information you usually collect to monitor your project?
Okay, for the data and information that we collect, usually the progress of each level, because my project is until level 7, so we monitor level by level. We have 3 block A, block B, block C. So we monitor each one of the block, which are the progress lah. Then we have the starting date and the ending date lah. So that's why we can know which area that delay, then we need to catch up lah.
Okay. So for the next question, Izana.
Can you give some example of project monitoring techniques that you implemented in your construction project and explain why you choose them?
Okay, for my project, we call it Novate system that we get from the main contractor lah. So every one of the subcon, we need to update daily about the progress lah. So when it comes to the end of the month, we combine all the information, then we know it's like a system lah. We can usually access on the phone, computer, or usually computer lah. Yeah. But if we don't have the PC, right, we use phone lah to check the data, the information, and any defects of the project lah. So we can clarify from the system. So this system is synchronized for all the subcontractor lah. So this one is provided by the main contractor. So each of the subcon, we need to implement this actually the system lah that we apply on our project. So if one of the subcontractor did not perform on the system that we already implement, so we will give the warning to them lah. Yeah.
So next for the last question, Sham.
Okay, sir, I want to ask you, how do you manage the critical path activities?
Okay, for the critical path activities, right? We need to first thing we need to know the scope of the work. So based on the scope of the work, then only that the flow will be smooth lah. If, for example, if we have problem on the first of the stage, so we need to have the alternative solution for the problem. Otherwise, it will affect among the project lah. So that's why if the first stage we cannot solve, then it will have the effect on the back of the stage lah. So that's why we need to have the alternative solution. Usually we try to catch up. Usually if the delay, right, so we need to catch up by providing the schedule to the main contractor. So the main contractor will will trust us about the schedule. If otherwise, if we cannot settle the first stage, so we can unable to finish the project within the time.
I think that's all for the question. Again, I would like to thank Mr. Amirin for your time, and hope we got all of the information that we gathered. Okay, so thank you and see you again.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.